Hi and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vishman Subramaniam. So today we're going to talk about the self-test kits in Malaysia and how do they work. So in July 2021, several COVID-19 self-test kits were given conditional approval for import and distribution by the Malaysian Health Ministry, starting with the Selexium COVID-19 Rapid Antigen Test and the GMAT COVID-19 Rapid Test, which is both priced at RM39.90 and sold at registered community pharmacies and health facilities. So in a Facebook post on July 20th, Malaysia's Health DG Tan Sri Dr. Nur Hisham remarked that these self-test kits are not meant to replace the RT-PCR test, but rather enable the public to conduct self-screenings in order to find out the status of their COVID-19 infection immediately. Here are the COVID-19 rapid antigen kits recently approved by the Ministry of Health's Medical Device Authority for self-screening at home. The first one is Selexium COVID-19 Rapid Antigen Test. So a combined nasal and saliva swab test that's less invasive than an RT-PCR test. The Selexium COVID-19 Rapid Antigen Test reveals results in approximately 15 minutes. Each kit contains disposable swabs for a single test, a waste bag for safe disposal, and an extraction buffer tube in which the nasal and saliva swabs must be placed after samples have been collected. Not only that, the kit also comes with a unique QR code supported by the Selexium and MySejahtera apps for reporting results and test tracing. So as per the requirement by the Ministry of Health, the results of this rapid antigen test must be recorded via MySejahtera. This test is 91% accurate at generating a positive result, which is 91% sensitivity rate, and 100% accurate at generating a negative result, which means 100% specificity rate. So the Selexium COVID-19 rapid test has a shelf life of about 18 months. The second one is GMAT saliva antigen. The GMAT COVID-19 test should be applied within 5 days of the onset of symptoms. This saliva swab test contains a sterilized swab, a buffer container, and a test device. It takes around 15 minutes for the results to show up on the test device as either positive, negative, or invalid. So the tests that show up as invalid must be repeated with a new test kit. The third one is B-Right COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test Device. The single-use test kit tests for novel coronavirus through saliva samples. So revealing results in approximately 15 minutes. It has a sensitivity rate of 93.1% and a specificity rate of 100%. And this kit includes a test device, a collection device, a buffer, package insert, and a biosafety bag for a safe disposal. So the kit's QR code generates a result certificate linked with GP Now telehealth services. Last but not the least, Alltest COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. So this self-test kit was manufactured by Hongzhou Alltest Biotech in China, the same producer behind the B-Right COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test device, and another self-test kit recently given conditional approval in Malaysia, which is the Just Check COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. So not much is known about the Just Check COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test apart from the fact that it is distributed in Malaysia by Neo Pharma Biotech Asia Sendirian Berhad. Not only that, the Alltest COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test works in the same way as other saliva test kits described just now, offering a sensitivity rate of 91.38% and a specificity rate of 100%. So according to guidelines from the Ministry of Health, individuals who test positive on their self-test kits are required to visit a COVID-19 assessment center or a health clinic, immediately bringing their test results along, even if they show no symptoms. So individuals who test negative but experience COVID-19 symptoms should visit a health clinic for further action. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive more from myself. I'll catch you in the next video.